Hey, God bless you, my friend. This is Sister Sharon with a special thanks to all of the supporters of Motivating You to Win. These are handmade soaps that I'm now creating to give to the homeless in my area and to give as random acts of kindness. I am soaping, meaning I'm creating all these soaps by the hundreds so that by the spring and summer, I'll head down to my homeless shelters in my city and low income areas to give these. I call them my happy soaps. And my main theme is to guard your heart. Guard your heart, because we know the scriptures teach us out of the heart, friends, is the abundance of all of our issues. So this is just some of the soaps, and I've been able to create this part of my ministry because of all of the love gifts that you all have been sending to the ministry. So I just wanted to give you a quick tour and show you all the soaps. And over in this area, these are soaps that I have purchased, this group of soaps. These soaps are what is called cold press, and they have to sit about 4 weeks. This is what it looks like on the inside. This particular soap is for women. They're curing, which means that they're sitting to dry out. After you make your soaps, you got to let them sit for a while. There's some oranges. I'm making every color, friends. And again, these were specially made, just this group right here, along with these up here for the men. And this was, these I did purchase from a young lady. I studied a lot of her videos to learn how to soap. So I purchased some from her, and these are cold press. But the rest of these soaps, and these are for the men, they're drying out. It takes about 4 weeks to cure your soap so they could get very hard. And the rest of these are all handmade by myself. I'm just making soap, so that when we hit the streets for the spring and summer, there's some, the yellow one is lemon essential oils with sea salt. Here's some lavender. And all of these soaps are made with top of the line fragrance oils. And some of them do have real flower petals inside, poppy seeds. There's one with poppy seed inside of it, which helps exfoliate the skin. And so we'll be taking these primarily to the homeless, and I will be giving them as random acts of kindness. Here's some pinks. These are all curing, getting hard so that I can wrap them and get them ready. It usually takes about 4 weeks to cure your soaps properly so that they can harden. So I just want to thank all the supporters that this is what I was able to create to continue random acts of kindness and do outreach. This is a soap, if you could tell, it's a tree. So these are my tree of life type soaps that I made. They're packaged already. They're just drying out. Here's some dark green and gold. So I'm making lots of soap, friends, so we can hit the streets in the warm weather. So I'll spend the winter just creating all these soaps. And my goal is to eventually give them, here's some washcloths. My goal is to be able to start sending these soaps. I call them my happy soaps. So when they're done, I package them. They go here. Here's some washcloths. We'll be giving out washcloths with the soaps, because a lot of people don't realize the homeless, they have trouble with toiletries, not having soap. Just the basics. Here's some gold and white ones. And these are just sitting as I make them. I sit them over here on my curing racks and just let them dry out. And people don't realize that the homeless, they do need toiletries. A lot of times that's an issue for them because they're out on the street and they just need the basics. Here's some children's soaps that I've made with frankincense and myrrh. And here's some little duckies. And here's more. All of these are drying out. And these gold ones here, these were made with real flower petals. Here are some of my flower petals right here that are good for moisturizing the skin and exfoliation. There's some more of my supplies, and here's some fresh rose roses that a precious sister from the channel sent to me, Sister Vanita. Just love you, precious sister. And here's some more roses that she dried out for me. These are wonderful ingredients for your flowers. So we are, I'm getting ready, friends, for that warm weather. That's when you get out and do all of your outreach. Is the best time of the year. So I just want to thank all of the supporters. This is what I am doing in part with your donations. I just want to give and keep helping my fellow man, bringing hope. That's my desire, is to keep on glorifying Jesus Christ through random acts of kindness. So thank you so much, all of you that have been giving to the ministry. I love you and I appreciate you so much. God bless. And for those of you that are into crafting, it's a very easy thing to make soap, friends. It is exciting. It is a process. You got to take your time and do it step by step. But when you're done, as you can see, the sky is the limit for designs, and the fragrance on the soap it just smells so good. So thank you, everyone who have been a supporter and allowing me to add this branch to my outreach ministry of giving random acts of kindness. God bless you, my friends. Till next time, I love each and every one of you. Thank you so much. God bless.